In graph 28.4, we presented three different voting agendas involving pairwise voting over three possible outcomes. We'll now show how these three different voting agendas can lead to three different voting outcomes for the same three voters if one of the voters has non-single peaked preferences. We'll begin with the voting agenda from panel A in graph 28.4, and we'll assume that we have three voters whose preferences over the three outcomes are given in equation 28.1 of the text. Voter 1 prefers Y1 to Y2 to Y3. Voter 2 prefers Y2 to Y3 to Y1. And voter 3 prefers Y3 to Y1 to Y2. If Y1 is less than Y2, which is less than Y3, in terms of something like public goods spending, then voter 3 is the one who has non-single peaked preferences. In pairwise votes, Y1 would then defeat Y2, Y2 would defeat Y3, and Y3 would defeat Y1. Voters 1 and 3 prefer Y1 to Y2, and thus Y1 would win in the first stage of this agenda. In the second stage, Y1 would then be put up against Y3, and voters 2 and 3 prefer Y3 over Y1. Thus, in this agenda, Y3 will be the winner.